Hey everybody, welcome back to Fixing Things. Today we're going to attempt to fix some stuff, that's for sure. On this episode of Fixing Things, we're going to attempt to fix this Roomba I7 robot. Now this robot was trying to take over the world by disobeying me. I said, you need to get back there and clean up the laundry room. And it said no. So today we're going to try to fix it and see what's going on with this robot on this episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Alright, so this is my robot. Her name is Pepper.
Uneven ground. Place on a flat surface and then press clean.
And she says that to me. And she also says she's not sucking right. So I bought this from my wife 2 years ago, and it's been working flawlessly for 2 years. and it lets me know when it's not working right. And so the not sucking rate, I think, is like a E26 code it was flashing to me. And it comes up and on your phone, and it gives you a thing, and you go to their site and it tells you what's going on with it. And tells you all the possible things that's going wrong with it. Well, 99% out of the time is I just needed to clean the filter in it. Right? But now, as soon as it comes on, it's flashing me the E26 code. So I took it outside, took it apart. I blew all the dirt out of it, blew the dirt out of the motor, put a fresh filter in it, put a fresh filter in the thing that this goes up to, whatever the thing is called, the thing unit thing, right? And tried to get it to go again, and I got mad at it because it wouldn't go, and I may have broke the wheel on it, and that's when it's been doing this.
Uneven ground. Place on a flat surface and then press clean.
So I took the wheel out of it. Well, I looked up the code for that, and it said if it's not on a flat surface, then it's possibly a wheel has got jammed, and there might be some trash in it. So I did what they said, rolled the wheels around, and did all that. And it says if it's not that, then the wheel, it says the left wheel needs to be replaced. So what I do, I took the wheel apart, and I found out there was some little magnet that has to on the outside, and I think it has to do with counting the rotations, so it gets a distance. And the magnet was broken, and it was lodged inside the motor sideways, and it was causing the motor not to spin right. Now the motor was working because it has a different set of magnets for propelling it, but I think this one it kind of worked like a trigger on a camshaft sensor or a crank sensor, or those things like on a car. And so the wheel was definitely broken, and I probably did. I got mad at her, and now she's sick, and I need to fix her. I bought my wife another one, and that's Pepper 2.0, and Pepper 2.0 has been working flawless. Because I felt bad because I kicked her. And now I'm feeling bad because this was a good robot for us. It was working flawlessly. And I just wasn't paying attention to what she was telling me. So today, we're going to attempt to fix Pepper, the original Pepper 1.0. And see if we can't put her back in service, because she's been a good robot. She really has. So let's get with it and let's start fixing it. Alright, so what I bought was a new fan motor for the vacuum motor thing, brand new. and I bought a set of used wheels off a robot that had very low hours on it. So we're going to put these in and see if it doesn't fix the issues with Pepper. We got to get Pepper fixed. Polly and Penny are over there and they miss Pepper. So let's get with fixing her. All right, so I know what you're thinking. This is a robot and it's too complicated for you to fix. Yes, there's a lot of electronics up in here. There's a lot of sensors and a lot of stuff. But everything is made in modules that can be taken off and put and replaced. So the first thing you do is turn your robot over. And we'll take off the little fan thingy. The sweeper deeper. I don't even know what. The sweeper duper. And we'll take your storage bin off. See, I had a brand new filter in it. I feel so bad. And then there's some big screws you take out. I know that because I had it apart already. And they don't come all the way out. Except for that screw. When you get those loose, the lid comes off. Just take it right over there to the side. So this is as far as I've had it. I had this wheel off one time before. Alright, these are teeny. And I need my glasses on. Let's start with get the wheels out of it. I had the wheels out. So there's some screws that holds it down here. And one down here. And I think one over here somewhere. Or the one that holds the lid down. The lid is one of the screws. And that's it. It just simply locks itself down in place. Now this motor works on this wheel works. Helps if I loosen the right screw. I'm going to keep this wheel for a backup. I think we have to take this part here off. I don't know, but it seems to be connected. I should have ordered a new one of these, but it wasn't giving me that. There it goes. It's got a lot of connectors on it, a lot of things to clean. So we'll probably take that and clean it up. Place that right there. Oh, the fan motor comes off with it. Now, yep. See, you have to get it. So to get the fan motor off, let's take the robot body and where the motherboard and everything is, move it off to the side. So, looks like there's only 4 screws on the motor. See, this one is turning tight. This one moves freely. Take the 4 screws out. Now, I might be able to fix this little motor. But not today. So this video is on that you can do this. This is not hard. This is not hard at all. Alright, let's dump the screws out on the table. Let's fish the wire out. And it goes to this one right here. Okay. And I don't know if it's dog hair or whatever. Whatever it is, it's not turning freely. This one, it's turning freely. Alright, so let's push this wire back through the same hole. It goes underneath the clip and should fit right in there. There it goes. Just wasn't holding my tongue right. Now wrap the wires back around in the it's like a wire loomy thingy. Guess you gotta take all the slack out of the wire. There we go. Yep, that's what you gotta do. There's just enough wire. Okay. Once you get all your holes lined up and it looks like it's seated good, you start putting your screws in. I would suggest don't tighten them down until you get all 4 started. It's just plastic. Don't need to over tighten it. This is my first time doing it. I did take it apart. I did have one wheel out. Okay, this part is ready to go back in. Alright, let's put the wheels back in. The new wheels back in. I hope it fixes it because I feel so bad that the robot stopped working. And she's been, for years, been such a good robot. I have some spare parts in the back and extra bags and filters and doesn't seem to be sitting down as far as the other one. There it goes. I mean, here we go. Now we're ready to put the cover back on. Fixed. Now she won't run off the table. She's got sensors. I'm going to have her clean that area over there. I got her a new little tower. Let's set her on the floor, see what she does. Get the dog hairs out of her legs. These things are very well built. All right, Pepper. Do your thing. She's mapping while she's cleaning because I deprogrammed her. She still knows she's Pepper, but we took out her maps and all that stuff. She's going to have a whole new area and not work as hard. But you can see she's working good. She's already starting to straighten herself up into the room. She's getting ready to run over to the dog toy. Polly's happy now. Look at Polly. Oh, great. Pepper's back. Alright, so that's going to be it for this episode of Fixing Things. The Roomba robots, they're not that hard to work on. And Pepper's working great again. She's over there working her heart out. She loves to work for us. Pepper 2.0 is good too. Oh, she found a dirty spot. She's going to clean twice. She's doing good. Listen, don't just throw your robots away. At least try to fix it. If you're going to replace it with another one, at least try to fix your other one. What's it going to hurt? I think I spent $40 for the fan, for a brand new fan, and I spent about $20 for 2 used wheels with low hours on them. What have I got to lose? These robots are very expensive. Even used, they're very expensive. God bless you. I'll see you on the next Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Hey, remember to like and subscribe and all those other things, and pound the notification buttons and whatever else. If you like my videos, whew, I'm sure glad this robot is working. Man, it's like a weight lifted off my chest. Oh, don't treat your robots bad when they're not doing what they're supposed to. They've been telling you via their website what's wrong with them. Just do a little backbone research and you can fix your robot. It's not hard. God bless you. Remember, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Man, I am glad that thing is finished. Man.